Okay, we are going to change the color of this blue to green. So we will come up here and do a hue and saturation layer. We're going to select this hand selector, which is the color selector. Click on that blue. It says blues right there. We just grab this the hue slider up here and just pull it down. And there it is. There's the green. You can kind of adjust that green however you want. That changes, lightness and darkness. You can also change it right here, and that would be it. That's how you change a color. And then you would select this layer mask over here, select that, hit Control I to invert it to black, and then you just take a white brush, some white, 100% opacity and flow, and you kind of make that a hard brush and just paint over that blue where you want the effect, right there and there. And that way it's only going where you want the effect. It's not going on the whole picture. It's not affecting everything, and it's only going to affect what is blue. See, it won't even do nothing here on the white, only the blue. That's it. And you can change that by, go back up here. Now it's masked off. You actually change that around to whatever color you would want, just by playing with that. And then you can get different tints by doing that right there. But there we go. You can make blue, dark blue, purple. There's a green. Just like that. And that's it. That's how you change colors with the hue and saturation layer.